Welcome to another play chess bullet banter. Hopefully the preview screen is ready to go. So let's go on the bullet pairing system and let's see what happens here. First game. So an English opening. Okay, I'll stop A5. Hoping this is, this looks as though it's being streamed okay. I'll keep the bishop pinning the F2 pawn, I believe. That'd be a good idea. I think this is still quite comfortable. Alright, let's actually go there. That's a little bit annoying. Oh, again, a little bit annoying. Can I actually open file? Okay, and can I kick this knight back? Was that too dangerous? Maybe there's Queen H5. Yeah, I don't like this particularly. There's a positional grip what it has here. Yeah, still quite a mighty grip. If I play knight here, relieve the pressure on C7. Go in for the attack. Alright, can I kick that thing out of here? Yeah, it's giving me the exchange. Well, that's good news. And he's a bit short on time now. Okay, that's pretty intense. Hi there on screen, stream. I hope the audio and visual is okay. Let me just check. I'm hoping it's okay. Please let me know. Okay, let's have another game. With B3, one of my pet systems. I'll try and blunt this bishop. That's top priority, I believe. Hi there. Okay. So maybe castling queenside is an exotic little strategy here. Although he could try and open that C file. Oh, hang on. What's this about? He's not giving me a G file, is he? He is. That should be fun. Surely I can blast open the G file usage. There's going to be something like bishop takes G6 at some point. Let's see, well, this pawn is vulnerable on H4. If I, actually knight E3, okay, here. So I'm thinking Queen H4 for Queen H7. Oh, maybe that was a bit dodgy though. Hang on, Rook G4 for Queen H4. It's good when the server starts whistling to oneself. Okay, this missing H pawn is a liability. He's offered a rematch. I'll accept the rematch on this occasion, give him a shot back. For revenge. Revenge is a dish best served, as they say, cold, okay. Or after the game you lost. If they accept a rematch, okay, so let's see. G5. It's hack attack style. Violent hack attack style. Yep, let's go for it. Trying to weaken D4 here. Maybe a bit too much. Okay, maybe here. Can I get a form pawn? Got the form pawn. Put some pressure on D4. The Z Is this dodgy what I've done? Is it naughty? I've got a form pawn, but I might be significantly material down here, except maybe here is interesting. There's a crossfire on the queen and the rook, potentially. I thought, but let's go with this. Alright, the knight's pinned. There's no rook f2 here, so the knight remains pinned. If there's rook e1, bit of pressure on the pin. Okay. Try and double the rooks against that pin. Can I try and take out a defender? Now I'm hitting the rook. Oh, hang on, there's this. If he's got a rook e2, there's queen h8. Alright, let's plan someone else. Or let me have e4. That's something they do in bullet. Let me have e4. And he's let me have f3 potentially. This is going to be far too dangerous, surely. Let me have this form bishop, so to speak. It looks very, very dangerous to allow this kind of attack. E4's not dropping yet, although it can drop here, but bishop h3. Checkmate. Yeah, it can be a bit brutal, these, I'll give him a rematch. These h-file attacks can be a bit brutal. This is also a very attacking system for bullet chess, by the way, b3. I found exceptional results recently, more than any other opening systems, especially with this double pawn gambit for the console kingside. I don't think anyone knows anything about it. That's the problem. So, or rather benefit I have of this. Okay, I'm on b7 at the moment. This is pretty unknown territory, this double pawn gambit for bullet chess. Let's actually take out the firing line of knight c5 though. Okay, going for the attack here. It's a 10-second edge, that could be crucial. Try and get my rook in for bishop a6. Bang. Queen a6, queen c6. Bang. Mating. Okay, let's go on to another opponent. Okay, raising the stakes, 2100 opponent. Firebolt. Raising the stakes. Rating stakes raised. Let's play the system anyway. A few pre-moves to try and get a few seconds clock advantage. Maybe not too quick there, with queen g3. Oh, too quick, just blundered the piece. Naughty, blundered the piece. Oh, I'm in trouble. Oh, I can't do anything there. This looks desperate. This looks like big trouble. Piece down. Ah, he's giving me some material back. Okay, what to do? Okay, can I play the check?
Yes.
And oh, really? Oh, crikey. Maybe he's right. He's got a point. What do I do here? Hang on, e4 check. He's got a loose rook. Wait. No, he hasn't. Yes, he has. He's got a loose rook. Whoa! I lost control. Lost control. He wants a rematch. He deserves a rematch. Okay, rating's been severely adjusted for both of us for some reason. Bit of a glitch, I think. Let's just go there. Maybe the server doesn't think much of that game. Okay. Light square bishop exchange. Or not. He's tying me up here. This is very unpleasant. How about c6? Try and get him into that self-pin situation. If I played c6, takes... Oh no, it's check. It's check. It would be a disaster. Can't play c6. Okay, even better though. There's g5, h4 plan. Oh, there's rook e6. It takes g4. Where does the knight go? d2, I take on d4. Why has he done that? Right, there is queen h7 here. Because he's dislocated that. I mean, he's broken that connection now. Okay, is there rook? Is rook e8 a problem? Okay. Why have I just blocked my own attack? Okay, he's weak in g4 though. But I did kind of block my own attack there. Okay, here we go again. Let's try this gambit here. Is he going to accept? Yep. I find this is might be interesting for bullet anyway. This opening, customizing for bullet time control. Style of play openings, it's kind of fit for purpose idea. Okay. Is he going to give me dark square bishop? Oh. Feels a bit as though he's doing something I should be aware of. I'm not really sure. What is he doing exactly with this? Not entirely sure. There is f5 here to bishop g4. Now knight e5. Okay. Right, knight e5 here to stop this bishop g4 trick. I've got to worry about c7 as well. Alright. Well, c6, surely. That is in this pin. He does threaten mate for a moment, but queen e7. Oh, tricky. Tricky. Oh, he's playing a funny opening. Let's go with this. Bang. Okay. Let's take care. Castle. I don't know why the server keeps doing that. It's not me. It's the servers. I don't know. These someone's really got some very strange sound effects requirements. I don't know what the idea is at all of the sound effects, to be honest. I don't know why there's this few thing. I don't know. Anyway. Queen g4. Okay, I think he's resigned now. Oh, it's checkmate. He hasn't resigned. It's checkmate. The king can't go there because of the rook. Phew. Okay. Let's try classical Nope. Let's go back here. Oh, it's put me under a bit of pressure in this opening. It's confused me slightly. Try and close down the F file using his own pawn as a defensive shield on this F file. So I believe this should be a reasonable position with the F file shut down a bit. And maybe knight h4 to f3 is an idea. Or in fact, maybe, okay, knight f3, does he set the exchange? Well, I suppose he has to. Okay. What's the idea? What's his idea? Can I use the G file? Oh, he's getting quite aggressive here. I want to shield my king. Oh, this is getting very aggressive. Oh. I'm being attacked. I want material down. Oh boy. Can I survive this? This is a really aggressive player. Uh-oh. I'm not going to get mated, am I? Oh, it was getting really dangerous. Oh man. You know, I've let him have a pawn there. I didn't need to. I think I had better there to get the pawn back. But anyway. I was about to win my queen now. Can I play bishop d5? Alright, c5. Try and lock down at least d4, if nothing else. And go into this square. I'm fronting knight f3 potentially. Queen takes knight f3? Not yet. Double? Put the bishop on this diagonal. I put the bishop on this diagonal. Maybe something like is something emerging of interest. Oh. Ah! I wasn't quick enough. Okay, let's accept his offer of a rematch. Try my pet system against them. How's it fair? Ooh. Okay, I think he's spending a bit of time here. I'm hoping he spent a bit of time here. it looks as though I might be a little bit concerned. Nabbing a pawn. And another. And another. We've won some material here. Have I not? I believe I've won some material. More material. Yeah. Right, let's accept his rematch then. Okay, let's try the elephant gambit for fun. It can be quite a dangerous weapon as well for bullet chess, I think. And he hasn't really tested it. Has he given me a strong center here? Pre-move this to gain, and this one gain a second or two. With some dodgy, controversial pre-moves. Which could be disastrous sometimes. Okay, that opens up that bishop. 10-second edge at the moment from the dodgy pre-moves. Is there this blocking the queen? So I control the E file. Maybe check. Get the queens off. Oh, okay. Now I'm confused. I've got this pin, but what do I do with it? Block the queen there. I think he's crumbling. He's crumbling. Okay. Try again. I don't get that. I think that's a structural concession that wasn't needed, but maybe he's got a point. Maybe it's nothing for me. I'm making a structural concession here myself. Small clock advantage, but yeah, he's doing well. Have I got rook h1 at least to put some pressure? Alright, how would I pressurize him in this position? I wonder. I don't want to give him a pass pawn of any kind. How do I do this? Intriguing. No, this isn't nice. Uh-oh, just gone into a lost ending. Not sure he needs, yeah, I think he'll do it, I'm afraid. Yeah, it's not totally pure increment. I think it's a little bit of an increment. Okay, let's accept a rematch. Let's try this elephant gambit again. So he was ready for it. Oh, is he delaying here? Okay. And rookie 8 for bishop g4. So going back here. Maybe c6, trying to open up the d4 square to try and give me the d4 square. Oh, this looks very dangerous, surely, the way he's played it. Blast down this diagonal, I think, with h4. Oh, okay. Oh, that's nasty, isn't it? Here? Oh, I just got myself in more trouble. I think I might have allowed something I didn't want to there. Oh well. Knight d5, I was thinking knight d5. Alright, let's try the rook and pawn ending. Okay, this could be in my favour this time, a little bit. Well, not really. Not really, not really, not really. Only on the clock. Well, let's agree a draw. Oh. He's just one on time. I wanted to agree a draw, but anyway, he's just one on time. Okay. Ouch. That's the way it goes. That's the way cookie crumbles. Okay, so G5. Maybe G5. And let's see, knight d1. I'll take out this bishop. Can I do something with this attacking formation wedge? Or not? Or not? Okay, hang on a sec. That looks good. B4 coming up. Well, I think this looks good in principle. He's pretty quick. Double check. Let's go again. Let's try and win this little match. Sicilian. World Championship themed. G4. Can I use the C4 square at any point? try and make use of this c4 square. Try and get a knight to c4. Finally, was it worth it? Try and win this a3 pawn. Oh no, this pawn. Push this pawn. Yeah. Okay, let's go again. Okay. Let's go with b3 again. Now, you probably could just take that. That was on sound. Sometimes you can get away with stuff on bullet though, which one shouldn't, of course. Here, h7 and queen h6 seems better than the alternative. Yeah, because queen h6 is absolutely, yeah. d6 to stop bishop c5. Oh, d5, come on, what am I doing? d5 for d4 makes a lot more sense, actually, I think. And now knight b3 could be on the cards at some point. Okay. Yeah, okay, he wants another rematch. Okay, let's go for it. Anytime I play g4, he locks down the dark squares here with knight h7. So is there any better? Maybe here, knight d5 now. Oh, I've got into big trouble here. Oh, very big trouble. Uh-oh, there's even bishop g3. Ah, this is just sick. Ah. Oh. Alright, let's play someone else. Let's play someone else for variety. Okay. Okay. I think one or two more. Right. Knight f4. Can I play c4 here? Okay, the queen's come off. There's various pawns to take in this game, it seems, at every point. Yeah, there's like a5, e5, there was all sorts of pawns to take. Do you want a rematch, or I go into someone else? It's a good one, isn't it? Cause them to think. He's neutralized the attack for a moment. Maybe I've been too casual here. Oh dear. Uh-oh. He could have just taken that with his bishop. Oh dear. Okay. Ooh. Maybe a couple more. Some good average opposition tonight. Just slip up a little. I've returned the favour. I've returned the favour. Back to square one. No. I suspect he's got loads of time to win this. I don't think I've got any hope here. Yeah, my king's too far. Oh. Oh, I've done it again. Oh, there's a piece up there. What a mess. What a mess. Mess. Okay. Try and get a rematch. Don't think there's any rematch. No, there is. Okay. Alvin can't give it. Oh, this isn't entirely clear. Oh, crikey. Is there anything? Okay, and okay, one more. Maybe knight takes for this e5 square. He's got very strong knights, actually, hasn't he? They look quite well entrenched. Very well entrenched. Oh no, I'm going to lose b3 now. Yes. He has got the frets of this. Yeah, this pin is annoying. Could have taken the rook. Okay. Apart from that, everything's great. Okay, what's the plan here? No, I can't do that. I was going to play rook g7 on queen e6, but he's got king f6. Okay, one more. I wonder if this is plausible. G4, knight d7. I'll take that. Well, he's left with this isolated H pawn here, which might be good fun. And what to do now? This bishop, bring this bishop in. Oh, hang on. It's rook h1. Yeah. Okay. Alright, anyway, likes appreciated. Yeah, if you want to like the video, yeah, that'd be cool. I think I'll leave it till next week now. A bit of fun there on the bullet. I had a haircut today, in case you're wondering. Okay, see you next week. Yeah, likes welcome. And yep, hopefully we have a fun World Championship game tomorrow to analyse. That'd be fun as well. Cheers then.